Hey everybody, I wanted to make a video to show off my workspace. This is a little project, or it's an ongoing project. I started a couple of years ago before I got married, no, when I got married, and I've been working at it off and on for several years, not so much since my son was born. This is my son Liam. Liam, say hi.
Hi.
Okay. So we're gonna go down. We live in South Korea, and I don't have much room, so we're on the balcony here. It's kind of a closed-off balcony, and my workshop used to be. I made it out of a little closet, a wardrobe, freestanding wardrobe. So I converted it to a little work area. So this is where I sit down here, and you got the work surface here. Under here I got some storage for like scraps of wood and stuff, and toolboxes down here. This one was a street find, and this one I built. I've got a vacuum cleaner over there on the second shelf. I don't know if you can see it. There it is. And the hose runs up to the top, so I can kind of like clean off the work surface. And moving on to so this is the main sort of work table. Liam's been playing around with this computer here. So on this side, so let's look over here. I got some, what is this? This is just like old scrap wood that I found, and I made a little space to put like drawers. These are these are the plastic parts of like erasers that we use at the academy. I'm an English teacher, and we use these erasers. So I use the plastic things as little plastic containers. So storage there. Some shelves and things. These are cheapy things that I wanted to put all my like wires and things and organize that so that I could find stuff that I need. But I found that they're actually too cheap. I'm gonna probably change this. They don't open well, and so it was an impulse buy. I kind of regret it. Hein? Ah, ok. T'es-tu capable d'y aller tout seul? Okay. Son has to do his business. So over here, I built this thing here. It took me a long time to put all these wood chisels, and it looks great, but I don't actually use it that much, so I'm gonna be swapping this out at some point. You know, you work, you get involved in projects and you organize all your tools, and then you realize like, okay, it's actually not optimal. So it's an ongoing process of discovering like what is the most useful thing or tool to keep in front of you at all times. Okay, and so over here I got it's kind of like bits and pieces for a drill and screwdriver and all that. Some shelves up there. At the top, so at the top I've got little like bottles, glass bottles that had what is it, ginseng? My wife used to take ginseng, so I kept the bottle, and I made like the caps are screwed into a board that runs across the top, and so I store parts in there. The lighting is also D.I.Y. It's the T5 lights. They plug into the outlet here. I got like 6 outlets. And then on this side, we got some more storage. I'm holding the camera, it's very hard to see if the picture is any good or not. Uh, there's too much glare. Okay, so I think I'm going to switch the camera side just to... Okay, that's better. For me, anyway. So, just more storage. Tools are nice and organized. That's the whole point. My latest addition is this thing. So, it's like it's the coolest thing I've done so far. It's like the... so, on this side, you got the clamps, and then this thing swivels to this side. And this is where I watch my DIY videos and plan my next project. So there it is. I'm not going to be, so I'm going to be changing things around and trying new things, and I wanted to show you what it looks like. Again, it's so I can't do very big projects with this, but I like having things organized, and it's a space where I basically come to think while doing things with my hands. Flip the camera again. Thanks for watching. Take care. Keep building.